Hello everyone, I am Harsh and today we are going to see what are the two problems we have while deleting the tab item from the tab control, and we will solve this problem in this video. Before we dive in, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So now without wasting the time, let's get started. Now let's first see the first issue. I will add some tab control and I will remove it, and again I will try to add. It will not add. This is the first issue. And second issue I will show from here. As we are removing the tab item, so it should remove the view from the region. Now we will see if it is removing from the region or not. So I will call region manager dot get observable, and here I will pass tab control and then dot value. Okay. Now here we will see after removing the tab item our region got removed or not. Let's see. Now I will add some tab item here and I will remove from this one. Now see how many views are there. You can see 3. What are those? You can see from here we have text editor view, text editor view, text editor view 3 times because we have added 3 tab control. But now as we removed the one tab item, but it still exists in the region, right? So how to remove this? So to fix both the issue we have to do only one thing. What we have to do? I will not remove directly from the tab control. Instead I will remove from the region. So here I will check if region not equal to null and region dot view dot contains tab item dot content. If it exists, then remove this from the region. Okay, region dot remove, and then here I will pass tab item dot content. Okay, now let's run and see. Let's add some tab item. Now try to remove it. Now if we see here in the views we will have only 2 views, right? Because we have removed one view from this one. I will try to remove this new 2 tab item. Let's see. It should be only 1, right? You can see only 1 view is there. And now let's add some tab item. We can easily add this. We are not getting any error, right? And we can also remove this and we can see view count is 5, right? And tab item is also 5, right? This is how we can remove the tab item and also remove the associated view from the tab item while deleting the tab, right? So there is another way to remove this that we can do using the command. Okay, let's see how to do that. So here in main view I will add one command for this button. So for now I will comment this event trigger because I want to add the command. Okay, so here I will add the command and I will bind the command. I will say data context dot delete tab. Okay, and here I have to add the relative resource, ancestor type, and then X type tab control. Okay, because here data context we set to this tab control. From that data context we are getting this command. Okay, so now let's add the command to the text editor view model, right? Here I will add one command. Okay, delegate command of type tab item, and then I will copy this name, get set. Okay, and here I will initialize this command, new delete tab item, and here delete tab item. Okay, let's create this method, and from here I will use, okay, here I will pass I region manager, and I will define one field region manager here, and then I will initialize this to region manager. Okay, now using this region manager I will remove this from the region dot regions, and here we have to pass the region name. What is our region name? Our region name is content region, and then dot remove item dot content. Okay, so from this region we will remove this item. Okay, this is how we can delete from the region. So here we are getting the error. What is the error here? Okay, here we have to use ancestor type, not the level. Okay, and then we have to pass the command parameter, again binding, and then I will copy this and here I will say tab item. Okay, now let's run and see. Let's add some tab. Let's remove it. Let's see why it is not removing. I will add the breakpoint here. Let's remove it. Okay, this command is not working here. What is the issue? Let's see. Here we are getting binding issue like delete tab property not found on object of type main view model. Okay, so this command we have to move to this main view model. Okay, so let's move it. I will remove this thing and then also I will copy this command. Now let's rerun it. Let's add some tab, add the breakpoint here, click on close. Now it is called, right? So we can see now it is removed, right? And also if we want to see, we will not have like that view is also removed from the region, right? Let's see, go to the region and here we have only one view because now two tabs we removed, right? Let's continue, only one tab we have. This is how we can delete the tab item using the command, but it is not recommended because we are violating that MVVM pattern. If you can see here, we are using tab item inside the main view model, right? Which is a UI element. We should not use any UI element inside our main view model. That's why we have created this close action trigger to delete our tab item using the triggered action, right? I hope you understand how to remove the tab item from the tab control using the region manager and also using the command, and why we should not use the command you also understand, right? That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends.